Hello friends, I am back with a new tutorial I made for you. I will just log into your website without wasting any time, and I will tell you how can you set up your account currencies according to user roles. Now you can see I am admin, I have login, and I can see the prices in the euros. Now I will go in the I will sign up. It is the normal user that everyone that opened the website will see the euro. When I will log in here, I will log in, and here I will tell you how can you use your settings, and you can use your currencies for user roles. Yeah, this is the page. I will go again WooCommerce and booster settings. After booster settings, or you can generally go to WooCommerce settings and there is booster tab. Now here is multi-currency switcher tab. I will go to settings. In the setting I will click on enable module. I have already done the settings here, and in the enable module I can see here there is for example there are two currencies. Number one is euro, that is the base currency your account is using for all users, and here is the other currency that is being used. So I say that 1 euro equal to $1. So here at the roles I will click on wholesale 1, and I will assign the wholesale 1 user. For example, the wholesale 1 are all the users from the USA. I will assign the default currency of dollars. I will click on save changes. At the admin you can see, at the store I can see the currencies in the euros. You can see they are euros, in the euros. I will open a new tab in the Google, and I will log into your website, and I will log in using user 1, that is the part of wholesale 1. Wholesale 1 group belongs to user 1. For example, the user 1 is from USA and it belongs to the group of wholesale 1, that is the group of users from USA. So user 1, and the password is user123. It's login. It's getting logged in. Yeah, it's logged in. Without wasting time, I will go to the shop. I will see the products here. These are products. I can see the rate in US dollar. You can click on the, yeah, you can see it's dollar here. You can set the currency rate according to your own desire. You can select the currency rate. So this is a short tutorial. I hope you will like it, and please feel free to you can see the euro for all users, and in the previous tab there was dollar for the specific user you have chosen. Please feel free to contact me if you have any problem. Thank you very much, and take